Hey, what's up YouTube? Neil again here, and today I'm gonna install this LIBRA 5000 pounds RV stabilizer jack that I got it from Amazon. So I got this from Amazon, up to 20 inches height, extended up to 20 inches. So I'm gonna upgrade it from a regular floor jack. I believe it's an automatic, it's like an ordinary automotive jack. And this is the LIBRA stabilizer jack 5000. So I'm gonna install the bolt to the frame, and this comes with all the accessories: the bolt, drill bit, and the socket for the jack. And I believe this is for, yeah, this is for the bolt. And also it comes with this tool to wind the jack manually if you don't have the power tools. And also this is the stock stabilizer, as you know. This is the original stabilizer, which is already vented. And you can see so this is good. It comes with its own socket for the bolt. And always wear safety protection for your eyes. And I'm gonna spray with paint, so it will protect from rust. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm gonna change my stabilizer, because of this. The stock stabilizer are already broken. So now okay, so from here to here. Okay, so that's after with a new LIBRA stabilizer. And so that's it. I just installed or upgraded my stabilizer for my travel trailer. It's a LIBRA 5000 pounds RV stabilizer jack, extended up to 20 inches height, and I got it from Amazon for $130. So again guys, that's it. I installed my new LIBRA stabilizer for my travel trailer. Until then, watch for my next video. Bye.